Now that we understand how to count these rhythms, in the basics of counting is what we just learned. You want to understand that and really know that. When you get to a couple pages from now, in this lesson, we're going to start looking at the strumming patterns. And whoa, what is that? You know, quarters and eighth notes everywhere. Just go back to the basics of, okay, I know how to count these one at a time and do the syllables. But as you see, strumming patterns have directions. They go down or up. Sometimes when we're strumming a pattern, we might go down, up, down, or down, down, up, down, up. However we're going to strum. The symbol for down is in your book there. It's the little symbol that goes dun, dun, dun. It just looks like that. And the symbol for up is like a V. So we're going to go, we have down and up patterns. Usually you're going to need to know what direction to strum. Okay, it makes a lot of difference for the feel of the song what direction you're going to strum. If you're going to strum all downs, or if you're going to strum down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, whatever you're going to do, it's going to make the feel different. So usually when you see 2 eighth notes, you're going to go down, up. That's what it says there in the book. And if you see a quarter note, you're going to go down. If you see 4 16th notes together in a little 4 16th bar, you're going to go down, up, ticka, ticka. We'll go to easy strumming patterns. Pattern 1, and this is the easiest. You've already played this. You didn't even know you were playing it back in last lesson when you learned G and C. You were playing 4 quarter notes down. So let's do pattern 1. And each one of these patterns I've given you have a pattern with accents. In other words, an accent is when you kind of accent on the note, and it has it without. So today we'll do all the way through all these patterns without accents, and then we'll come back for fun. We'll do them with accents so you can see what the difference is. So let's do pattern 1 without accents. We'll just start with 60 beats per minute, 2, ready, go. And if you know your G chord, you can do just on your G chord. Good, you're just going 1, 2, 3, 4, all strummed down. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last one. Good, good, good. All right, so that's pattern 1. Now pattern 2 has an eighth note in it, so why don't we count first the pattern and then we'll play it. Get your G chord ready and we'll count it. It counts like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It'll go down, 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 up, down, down, down. Go ahead and play it with me. Get ready on the G chord. Ready, go. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Good. Okay, that's pattern 2. Let's go to pattern 3. Every time you come to a new pattern, you want to make sure you can count it first. I have a new saying that I've kind of created along with my program. It's, if you can't say it, you can't play it. So if you can't say the numbers or the tas with the strumming pattern, you're not going to be able to play it. Over and over again, I see people just say, okay, I'll play that pattern, no problem. And they just start looking and then they just have no idea. It's all in the mind. It's all being able to count the rhythm, be able to count it in your head, count it out loud, and then you're going to be able to put it with your pick onto the guitar. So let's count this pattern first. 1, 2, it would count like this. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. That's pattern 3. 3, and 4, and. Now we're going to get ready to play it. Ready, play. 1, 2, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Good. All right. So now we have that. Let's switch over the page over to pattern number 4. We're going to go over to pattern 4 now, and I want you to go ahead and say that. Why don't you just say that with me? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and let's play it together. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, perfect. That's pattern 4. Let's count pattern 5. Okay, we're going to go through these, and then I want you to go back and play and count these with your metronome all week. I want you to memorize them, get used to them, play them slow, fast. So let's go to 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's count 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Play. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and down. It'll go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Perfect. Okay, did you get that one? I hope so. Let's quickly move on to number 6. Pattern 6 is probably one of my favorite patterns. It's simple. It's it'll basically be one of the core patterns of all the songs you play. If you want to play sort of a more pop rock kind of feel to a worship song or something like that, pattern 6 comes in handy here, and it's all downs and it's all eighth notes. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So let's try it slow. You can also count it like T, 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 or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All downs. So you just kind of do that. Okay, so you can see with pattern 6 what would happen if we sped it up. It'd be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So it'd be kind of an easy, you'll see how we can use that in fast songs and slow songs to give us a good rock feel, a good steady strum. And if you're ever in doubt on a song, the rhythm or the pattern to use, you can always find the eighth note divisions and play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in the song.